Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use tags on pictures in OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your OneDrive storage and photo library. Once you've logged in, wait a moment while the system processes your sign-in and loads your dashboard. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the timing can vary depending on your internet connection and how much content you have stored. Now that you're on your OneDrive dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your photo section. Look at the top left part of your screen where you'll see two tabs available. One tab is labeled Files and the other is labeled Photos. Click on the Photos tab to access your complete OneDrive gallery where all your uploaded images are stored. With your gallery now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there which represents your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to reveal additional options for managing your OneDrive experience. A small context menu will pop up after clicking the gear icon. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. This option will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can customize various features and preferences for your OneDrive account. You'll now be on the OneDrive settings page. On the left side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with several different options. Look through this menu and click on Photos. This section contains all the settings specifically related to how OneDrive handles your images and photo library. Within the Photos menu, scroll through the available options until you find Photo Tagging. This feature allows you to organize and search your pictures more efficiently by adding custom labels and categories. To enable this functionality, simply click on the toggle button next to the Photo Tagging option. Once activated, you'll be able to add, edit, and search for tags on all your pictures stored in OneDrive, making it much easier to find specific photos later. And that's it! You've successfully enabled photo tagging in OneDrive, giving you a powerful way to organize your entire image collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.